Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an eyeshadow look using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. This is what the palette looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. And it has a lot of different shades. It says newly formulated metallics, creamy matte, soft shimmers, and intense duochromes. So if you would like to see how I create an eyeshadow look using this palette, please continue to watch. Okay, the first color I'll be using will be this brown color right here that kind of looks like sienna. Right here. And I'll be using this as my transition color. And to darken up the crease, I will be using this black color right here. And I will also be putting this in my crease using the same brush.
It all started as a need for catharsis, since I never saw reason for speaking speeches of sparseness. Was only cool with select few people and targets, cause I felt the average person was evil and heartless. Attitude was reticent, but raps I brewed were eloquent. I snapped into my element, so what I had to do was evident. My aptitude was prevalent, which begun my ascension to a class of my own, like the only one in detention. But I'm running from questions like, what do I expect from rapping? Maybe a benign butterfly effect, but
next I will be cutting the crease with the Studio Pro Concealer. And I forgot the color, but it has the number 117. And this is what it looks like. And I'll be using the BH Cosmetics definer brush to cut the crease with.
You often see I'm trying to draft new plots and spitting like a young rock king. Never done rocking. Matter of fact, I haven't started yet. Still building my foundation with the mind of an architect. I know it's hard to get, but I chase my dreams with bold intentions, while these fake thugs can't see my bars because they have no conviction. The future got me stressing. I'll be someone seldom.
Okay, and going back into the palette, I will be using this DuoChrome color right here. And I'm using this BH Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a number, and I've already sprayed it with some Fix Plus.
Stressing, I'll be someone seldom seen, but then it hit me in a mellow dream that life's a marathon, so pain happens to be a welcome theme. So be easy, like a mellow dream. The future got me stressing, I'll be someone seldom seen, but then it hit me in a mellow dream that life's a marathon, so pain happens to be a welcome theme. So be easy, like a mellow dream. It's been a little bit too long, dealing with the setbacks, feeling like my head's trapped right in the middle of the page till the less snaps. All I wanna do is write brand new songs. I don't wanna wonder what it's like to live free, so I'm keeping my mind on that. A bland job isn't gonna give me relief from the weight on my back, so my spine don't snap. Playing with the cards that I'm dealt, saying on the bars that I felt for.
Okay, so next I'm gonna add a little pop of glitter to it. I'm gonna use this lime green glitter to my eyelid. And I'll be using my NYX Multitasker Mix and Medium. And you can use just any old flat brush that you want to use to apply it.
Place from the past bad days, thinking how's my art gonna sell. But it's all good, I'm rapping for the love. A regular guy, not a trapper or a thug. I relate to the people and say that we're equal. My pain isn't lethal, I'm happy as a mug when it comes to doing music, or I'm talking to my wife. I'm learning how to use it to start stomping out my strife, using facets of the classics to add background to my raps. I'm finding wealth and living true, even though pockets feeling light. No desire to be wealthy, it's not a drastic thing, but there's fire in my belly and I'm spitting gasoline. See, my plan is sound, command the crowd with honesty and truth, while standing out, so slam the cloud, this product for the youth. So if the future got you stressing, you'll be someone seldom seen. It's gonna hit you in a mellow dream that life's a marathon, so pain happens to be a welcome theme. So be easy, like a mellow dream. The future got you stressing, you'll be someone seldom seen. It's gonna hit you in a mellow dream.
Okay, I finished up my eyes. As far as my Under my lash line, I will be going into the same colors I used at the top. I'll be using this color right here to smudge under the bottom using my Morphe White 211 brush. And this is what it looks like. And using the same brush, I'm wiping it off. I'll be using that green color to go back under the bottom lash line. Okay, and for my lashes, I'll be using the L'Oreal Luminous Primer for my bottom lashes. And to go on top of that, I'll be using my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara.
Marathon, so pain happens to be a welcome theme, so be easy like a mellow dream, a mellow dream, a mellow dream.
And for contouring, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Contour Palette. And the BH Cosmetics brush, still not numbered. And I will be using these two colors right here.
Yeah. Keep calm and dream on, you know.
And I will be setting my contour, my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And for blush, I'll be using my Makeup Forever blush and the color Botier. Using another BH Cosmetics brush.
Yeah. Listen. Yo.
And for highlight, I will be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette, Aurora palette. And I will be using the color Eclipse. This color here.
A need for catharsis, since I never saw reason for speaking. Speeches of sparseness was only cool with select few people and targets, cause I felt the average person was evil and heartless. Attitude was reticent, but raps I brewed were eloquent. I snapped into my elements, what I had to do was evident, my aptitude was prevalent.
And for my lips, I will be using the ColourPop lip liner in brown.
Which begun my ascension to a class of my own, like the only one in detention. But I'm running from questions like, what do I expect from rapping? Maybe a benign butterfly.
And next I will be using Victoria's Secret Metallic Glow in gold. And to fix the look, I'll be using my Morphe setting spray. Okay, I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more uploads from me. And everything I use will be down in the description bar. And leave a comment. Thank you for watching.
But these thoughts of lofty missions don't come often. See, I'm trying to draft new plots and spitting like a young rock king. Never done rocking. Matter of fact, I haven't started yet, still building my